Today's video is a homemade Ubtan soap. It is that time of the year when in most houses in India, Ubtan is used lavishly. The Ubtan is made by hand by our grandmothers and mothers using different things available in and around our houses. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the same ingredients in a soap so that we get flawless skin throughout the year, not just for the festival season. So let's begin. For this I've taken a glycerine soap base. This is easily available online. This is a 1 kg block. You can easily cut out how much or how little you want from the soap base. I'm roughly chopping out 100 grams of it. You can weigh it if you want it. I'm using just a rough estimate. This is around 100 grams of glycerine soap base. I'm cutting this into small chunks because I want to melt it. You can melt it in the microwave or using a double boiling method, but please do not heat it up directly on the flame. Here I've transferred it into a glass beaker, which can also be microwaved. Keep over a pan of boiling water and let it melt. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes. While the soap is melting, let's start on mixing together the different things you're going to put into the soap. For that, I've taken 3 almonds. You can substitute this with almond oil, but since I also want a soft scrub in the soap, I'm going to use actual almonds. I've powdered it coarsely. To that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of besan or chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, which is absolutely good for brightening the skin, 1 teaspoon of Multani mitti or fuller's earth, half a teaspoon of turmeric, or you can use, if you have kasturi haldi, that is the best. I've used organic haldi, 1 teaspoon of rose powder. You can also use dry rose petals, or normally in the packs which we make with Ubtan, we use rose water. I'm substituting the rose powder for the rose water. 1 teaspoon of Chandan or Sandalwood powder. Mix everything together so that the almonds are powdered more finely and the rest of the powders are mixed well. Your powder mix is ready. You can go back to the soap base. Now you can see that it has melted. Remove from fire. To the melted soap, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is homemade coconut oil which I had made earlier. I have already uploaded the video on that. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use any brand, or you can also use fresh aloe vera. I'm also using a capsule of the vitamin E. I'm going to snip off the portion of it and just extract the oil from it. Mix everything well till well combined and then add the powder that we had made and kept earlier. Mix all the powders well, making sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Here I'm adding a few drops of Palo Santo oil. This is an essential oil which has an orangey fruity smell. It's excellent citrus smell, gives a lovely aroma to your soap. You can also use lavender or rosemary, any of the oils, whichever you have at hand. And if you don't add itself, it's okay, because rose powder gives a lovely rosy smell to the soap. Mix the oil also well into the soap base. Now here I'm using a silicone soap mold. If you don't have the silicone mold, you can use any plastic container of your choice, but make sure you grease it well with either some kind of oil like coconut or almond oil, or with Vaseline. You can also use paper cups, which is also again greased with some kind of oil. Pour this soap mix into your mold. This 100 grams of soap base, which I had used originally, has given me a nice big bar of soap. Keep this aside for around 4 to 6 hours for it to harden up. After around 5.5 to 6 hours, I have demolded my soap. See how glossy and shiny it is. This soap will not dry out your skin as there is oils in it, and also it has got beautiful different ingredients. This soap is safe to be used by people of all age groups and of all skin types. This soap is extremely good, not just to be used during the festival season but throughout the year. I hope this video has been beneficial to you and helps you out with any acne problems or other skin issues that you have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.